What's happening, guys? It's Jeremy, and tonight we're gonna try a new experience here on the Blackstone. New experiment, I should say. We're gonna try making some loaded waffle fries. I bought these today at Sam's Club. They're waffle fries, supposed to be kind of like the ones you get at Chick-fil-A. And to make it good, we decided we're gonna try putting on some of this. We have some what's this? Buffalo shaved chicken breast and some shaved steak. So we're gonna cook these up, throw it on top, throw some yummy, delicious cheese over the top. They're gonna be good. So let's get things going. So first things first. So we got us the Blackstone with the air fryer. So I'm gonna get this fired up. Let me turn on the gas here to start. And it says about 375 temperature on the air fryer, so we're gonna get that cranked up, get it running. The fan just kicked on. Man, we haven't used this but one time, and I gotta tell you, I'm a big fan of the air fryer. So that's starting to heat up. We're gonna pull out our baskets here, get our fries in. They have lines here to do it. I didn't see them. Let's use those. Yeah, that'll work better. So I've got me a family of 5, so probably gonna fill both baskets about that much up. So we got some in there. We're just gonna take some non-stick spray it on them and get them in here to start. Shake this around a little bit. All right, those are going in. Let's get the next basket ready. All right. Get my assistant to take those into the freezer. All right, so we got those in, and we're gonna set this. It says to do it about 360 to 375, so we're gonna set our temperature right around the 350 mark on medium, and get those going. Meanwhile, we're gonna start heating up the top because we're gonna make some very delicious topping to go on top of this with this meat. I think it's gonna be amazing when it's done. So that's heating up. And we're gonna put on top of this then today some cheddar cheese and some shredded mozzarella. So we're gonna get everything heated up, get those fries cooking up. We'll be back in just a minute. All right, so we got the air fryer rolling, the griddle. I think it's nice and hot. Let's check it. Give it a little test here with a little water. Oh yeah, it's ready. So we're gonna cook tonight. Like I said, we're cooking. This is buffalo style shaved chicken. It's still frozen, and then I've got some beef shaved steak. So we're gonna just throw these on and see how they go. Never tried them before, but hey, well, can't be bad. It's beef, right? So we're gonna start by just putting a little bit of oil here on our griddle to start. That'll work. I don't have a knife, but this works really well. Beef there. Now the other one, since it's buffalo chicken, my kids aren't crazy about spicy stuff, so we're going to do that one separate. So seasoning, we're just gonna use some basic seasonings, some sea salt, pepper, go a little garlic powder on this steak. The chicken, we're not gonna put the garlic on that, but we are gonna salt and pepper it some. Like I said, just a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit more salt and pepper. Gonna chop it up some. Probably can turn this temperature down a little bit now. Need it quite so hot. Smelling mighty good. Let's check and see how those fries are doing. Oh, those are gonna be good. You know what? We're gonna make the fries a little better. A little sea salt on there. Yeah, they'll be better now. I'm gonna let this continue cooking for a minute, but you might be wondering, where did I come up with this recipe idea? The honest truth, we didn't have any rolls, and we wanted to make these cheesesteaks and chicken's fried steak tonight for dinner. Didn't have rolls, so we picked up some waffle fries today. I said, why not make loaded fries? And I think they're gonna be delicious. We'll see. All right, so this chicken, or the beef, I should say, just about done. A couple little spots yet here to cook up. The beef, it's done. Let's check on this chicken. I've never tried this before, but it smells amazing. this meat's almost done. Let's see how our fries are doing down here. They're starting to get a good golden brown on them. Check the other one. I think those probably need about another 3 to 4 minutes. So our meat's basically done. We're just gonna turn off the griddle, let that sit on the griddle. It's gonna keep it hot, and we'll be back in just a few minutes. All right, so the fries have been cooking now about 13, 15 minutes. Let's take a look at them and see how they look. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at those. They're gonna be good. Check the other ones we put in after the fact. Oh yeah. Those are good. So we can shut off the air fryer now. We're done with that. So we're cutting that off. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the fries, we're gonna melt some delicious cheese on them. And so to do that, we're just gonna take them, put them right there on the griddle, make it right here for us. So let's just take these, kind of spread them out a little bit here. And we're now gonna let's do the steak one first for the kids. We're gonna take some of this beef and just lay it right over the top, like so. Oh, this is looking good. What's the saying they used to say, looking good in the neighborhood? I think this is looking pretty darn delicious. And we're going to use the rest of this beef, the wife and I, because we like a little bit of beef. So let's just mix this around a little bit, chicken and beef here. Go to this other spot. Take these fries, lay them out right here. Spread these out just a little, make it look nice. Gotta make it look nice, right? And then we're just gonna take some of this buffalo chicken. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is looking mighty fine. So we're gonna just put this right over the top, like so. Now, what do you think will make this good, Isabel?
Cheese!
I'm thinking cheese as well. So, for our cheese, like I said, we're gonna use a little bit of some shredded mozzarella. Just gonna put some of that right over the top. So, a little bit of mozzarella on this one as well. And in addition to mozzarella, we're also going to put some of this cheddar. More cheese is always better. A little bit of shredded cheddar cheese. Oh man, Isabel, are you as excited about this as me?
Yes!
Oh, this is going to be delicious. Now, one of the nice things, being that this is the air fryer combo, I can have this heated. Since the griddle's still nice and warm, I can just simply close my lid down. I'm going to let it sit a couple minutes. We'll be back shortly, and we'll check them out and see how it looks. All right, so we've given it another minute or so. Man, these look good. So, guys, simple recipe, looks delicious. I'm sure it's going to taste delicious too. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, make sure give this a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.